arbitrage opportunity that most of you guys doesn't know about. Okay, if you understand this particular strategy, you can be making a minimum of 10 to 100 USDT on daily basis. Now, if a coin is being listed in this particular place, this place you are seeing here is called Desk Screener. Okay, Desk Screener. You can get it on Play Store. Just go to the Play Store, type Desk Screener, you get it right away. So if a coin is being listed in Mexi or Bybit and Desk Screener, there is always a difference. The reason is because this screener here is a blockchain. Any coin you are buying here, you just like you are dishing a food from a pot. Okay, now if you are buying from Mexi and Bybit, it means that you are now using a spoon to eat from the plate, because the Mexi is an exchange, is a decentralized exchange. Okay, it's a decentralized exchange. Why this desk screener here is just direct to blockchain. Now let me show you example of what I'm actually talking about. If you come over to this place and type a new token that is just listed this just now, you will find out this particular coin called Play here is just a new listed coin. Now the Solana network of this coin is this particular one. Okay, now in this particular one which you are seeing here, if you take a look at the price here, okay, the price of this particular coin here is 0.057. okay, now if you come over to this particular one, which is the BNB blockchain of it, you can see that this particular one over here is at 0.0601. okay, and most people are buying from this particular place. Okay, and remember, some of them can be scam. Okay, some of them are not actually the coin, it's just some people listing the coin. So when you see the ones that people are not buying, it's just a scam of it. So this particular one also is people are buying it, but it is USDC. Okay, so now let's take a look at another one. So this particular one also, people are actually buying it, but the price of this particular one here is 0.059. okay, now let's go to Mexi and look for this particular one. You can see people are buying and selling this one. So let's go. Once you are in Mexi, you don't need to look for the coin. What you need to do is come over to gainers or new. Okay, any of them. So you can see over here, this is just that particular coin. This is the play. So now in Mexi, the coin is 0.0602. okay, so meaning that the coin is actually high here in Mexi. So meanwhile, you can actually buy the same coin at 0.059 and come over to this place to sell at 0.06. okay, so now if you take a look at this particular coin here, let's go back to that particular place and put some. So this is Mexi, where you find that particular coin. So if you come over to this particular place, so if you come over to this desk screener and buy 10,000 pieces of this particular play, okay, so look at what you are going to buy it with. You are buying it with 579.40 USDT. okay, now if you copy this particular 10,000, then go to Mexi. Let's go to Mexi. So when you have copied that quantity, then what you need to do is to come over to this place and paste the quantity. Okay, or you can type it. So you can see now I have pasted the quantity, which is 10,000. So you can actually see the coin is actually profitable. Okay, this is the quantity which we copied from desk screener, and this is the what we actually get. Okay, so what we need to do from this particular place is to come over to this particular place. So once we are here, what we need to do is to since we started with 579.40, we minus here, this is what we get at last, then we minus 579.40. okay, so you can see that the profit here is 26.6. okay, but actually because we needed to pay some fee, which will be around 1 USD fee. So if you still minus it, we are still having minus 1 USDT. We are still having 25.6. okay, this is the actual profit. Okay, so what we now need to do is that if your doesn't have up to 500 USDT or 600 USDT, now if you divide 600 USDT times 6 for you to get 100 USDT, that means we need to divide this particular money into 6. Divide into 6, you see you are still getting if you are using 100 USDT to do this trade, you are still getting something. Okay, you are still getting 4 USDT. And one good thing about coin arbitrage is that you can do it over and over and over and over again for you to do what? To make profit. Sometimes you can trade up to 10 times. And if you check this particular money, for those of you that are using 100 times 10, okay, that means you are getting 42 USDT on daily basis. You can be doing this to do or to make some passive income. So if you want to learn how to do this, you can join my VIP class. I have a class where I teach you step by step how to start trading. It costs you only 30 USDT. okay, and if you want to be getting signals on daily basis, you also join the VIP. okay, thank you. Peace out.